5 square minus in bracket 90 divided by 30 times 3 bracket complete divided by 3 square. It means that we need to perform all the operations step by step in order from top to bottom. Use the rule of. We should start with the parentheses. Parentheses have the highest priority over all other operations. We must start from the left and move toward the right. Perform these operations in order. 5 square minus in bracket 3 times 3 bracket complete divided by square of 3 is equal to 5 square minus 9 divided by square of 3. After parenthesis, we handle the exponent. Exponent have a higher priority than the other operations. Is equal to 25 minus 9 divided by 9. Now we handle the division between minus 9 and 9 is equal to 25 minus 1. Now we do the subtraction between 25 and 1 is equal to 24. 24 is the correct answer. Write your correct answer in comment. चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, वीडियो को लाइक शेयर और कमेंट कीजिए। चैनल को सब्सक्राइब